Hello, all my dear class 5 children. So today it's your first online class of general science book. So we have to know what is the first chapter in our book, in our science book. It's the circulatory system. Human body, from the human body parts, the chapter is the circulatory system. So what we basically know about circulatory system? The food we eat, the water we drink, and the air we breathe in must reach different organs of our body so that they function properly. Okay? So if we do not eat food properly, if we do not drink water properly, our body parts will not function properly. They will not act properly. Okay? So at the same time, waste products, which foods we take, which drinks we drink, okay? All are not necessary. All of it is not necessary, okay? Some of the waste products form there, okay? Like carbon dioxide must be expelled out of our body. So waste products and carbon dioxide must be expelled from our body. So the transportation of substances in our body is carried out by the circulatory system. So what is the main work of the circulatory system? The transportation of the substances in our body is carried out by the circulatory system. Thus we can define circulatory system as the organ system that allows circulation and transportation. Circulation as well as the transportation of nutrients and oxygen in our body, as well as the removal of waste products from our body. Okay, so what are the parts of this circulatory system? This circulatory system, what are the parts of circulatory system that we have to know? At first, in circulatory system, which part comes the most is heart, human heart. This is 1. 2 is blood, okay, and number 3 is blood vessels. Number 3 is blood vessels, right? So these are the 3 parts of our circulatory system, okay? So let's read what are the functions of 3 circulatory system, 3 circulatory organs. The heart is a muscular organ that pumps the blood through a complex network of blood vessels extending to different organs. Okay, so 3 are related with each other. Heart is a muscular organ that pumps the blood through a complex network of blood vessels. Okay, now we will come to the today which part we will discuss is heart, human heart, this one. Okay, I have already drawn this one. So the human heart is first sized muscular organ located between the lungs, okay, where heart stays just between 2 lungs, the position of heart. Okay, the heart's function is to pump blood to the different organs of the body through the blood vessels. Now we will come to the structure of heart, how heart looks like. I have already drawn the structure of hearts. The heart is divided into 4 chambers. The heart is divided into 4 chambers, as you can read in your book, and you also can see the drawing at the page number 4. Okay, and I have also drawn, okay, by my way. So the heart is divided into 4 chambers. The upper 2 chambers are called auricles or atria. This one, this chamber and this chamber, okay. These chambers are called, I have drawn an arrow also here, auricles or atria, and the lower 2 chambers are called ventricles. Okay. So auricles or atria, in singular form we call the atrium, and in normal plural form it is atria. Okay, so the two upper chambers are called left atrium, left atrium and right atrium. Two lower chambers are called left and right ventricle. The right auricle receives, that means this part, okay, this part receives the blood from the different parts of the body. So what is the work of auricles? What is the work of auricles? Auricles receives the blood from the different parts of the body. Okay, the blood contains waste materials. The left auricle receives, and what is the this is the work of right auricle, to receive the blood from the different parts of the body. And what is the work of left auricle? Left auricle receives oxygen rich blood from the lungs. What is the work of left auricle? This receives the oxygen rich blood from the lungs. Okay. Now the right ventricle pump out blood containing waste materials. What is the work of right auricle? Left auricle, right ventricle, it pumps out the blood. It pumps out the blood which contains the waste materials, okay, which is harmful for our full body system. Full body system, waste products are mostly harmful, okay. Now the left ventricle pumps the blood out of the heart to the different parts of the body, okay. The blood is rich in nutrients and oxygen. So what is the work of left ventricle? This is the right ventricle and this is the left ventricle. So what is the work of it? The left ventricle pumps out the blood out of the heart, which is rich in nutrients and oxygen. Nutrients and oxygen is obviously important for our body, but when this becomes too much, this can definitely harm. This can bring a very harm to our body. Okay. So keep your palm on your chest. You will feel the heartbeat. If we keep our palm in our chest, we can definitely feel the heartbeat. So the rhythmic movement of the heart while pumping the blood creates a sound called heartbeat. So what is heartbeat? The rhythmic movement of the heart while pumping the blood creates a sound is called heartbeat. We can feel this movement if we hold our wrist with our thumb. This troubling feeling of the artery near the wrist is called pulse. So what is the pulse? Thus we can feel the movement, okay, if we hold our wrist like this, okay, our thumb, see, okay, in this position, then we can feel the pulse beat, okay. So the normal human pulse rate is 60 to 100 beats per minute. If we keep our hand like this on our wrist, then we can feel the pulse beat, okay, and the normal rate is 60 to 100 beats per minute, okay. So this was about human heart, okay. So today's class over here, and next day we will start blood, okay. Thank you so much, and please write down all I have drawn and I have described, okay. I will send a picture of it. You all children please write it down, and any confusion tell me, okay. Thank you.